Oh, she is touching.
So I hear you guys are stuck.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
Thank you.
Yep, bye.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna take the tow truck because it's not super muddy out there right now. And we'll go get him, put some miles on this thing, and see how she runs. We're back. We're here back at the Ponderosa. We're down at the exact same spot we've been to like 4 or 5 times in a row now. And we'll pull out the next person that went on a road that was closed. This is our non-washing technique right here. Just nice, slow and steady. There's a lot of people tracks out here. Fun to count how many people get stuck in the same spot every year. Like if we could get Ramsey's and everyone that comes to this spot to count how many people they pull out. Oh, it's a lot. Wonder if these are the ones we're after. Let's turn the hubs in. Yeah.
That's a nice deal.
So are you the ones we're coming after?
Yeah. Now, I'm not usually this stupid. In my defense, we missed it by 4 feet.
You had it.
If I had 5 more miles per hour, we'd have gone.
Yep. I can pull you out and you can get another run on it. We'll tug you out of there. Not super muddy out there right now. Okay.
Okay. It's in neutral.
All right, you're started.
Yep.
We will tug you out of here. That's muddy.
Very muddy.
Okay, I think you're out.
Well, that's pretty slick. Nobody had to crawl under there in the mud.
I hate doing that. I usually just hook to a tire if I don't have to pull on it hard. Slide it backward.
That's a pretty sweet thing. In my defense also, I haven't done anything this stupid in like 15 years.
Well, if it makes you feel better, this
She made me do it.
is the 3rd time this week, really, right here. Now you got a story. Best ever.
I didn't need another story.
Yeah.
Father-daughter one.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Stuck in the woods. That is good. Well, we'll get you turned down. I'll get out of the way. Yep, we'll get the front wheels on the good stuff. Keep going. Keep going. Turn hard as you can. A little bit farther forward you can go.
Get out.
You're good. Keep coming back. Oh yeah, you got it. We'll just cruise out back to the oil with you.
That's the bad mud puddle you were talking about.
Yeah, that's the one.
They'll be buying them new floor mats.
Pressure wash them out. Taking some rental cars back that were zip tied together. Me and my brother-in-law may have chased some pigs in Florida once. We hit a big hole and it ripped the air dam and stuff off the front.
Oh, it won't even have.
We went to Harbor Freight, got some zip ties, zip tied her back up.
Perfect.
Fixed.
That is fantastic. Thank you.
Well, you guys have a good one.
Take it easy, guys.
That one's handled. Let's go back and finish working for the day. See how many more of these we get before it dries out here. We got that recovery over with. I am hungry. Lucky for us, we have Factor.
Get chef-prepared meals on the table in 2 minutes with Factor's ready-to-eat meals so you can get back to doing what you love this spring.
2 minutes and we're ready to eat this stuff, so it doesn't take long at all.
Eat stress-free this spring with Factor's delicious ready-to-eat meals.
They're always fresh. They're never frozen.
No fuss, no mess meals. You can just eliminate the hassle of prepping and cooking.
You can customize these meals to your weekly plans. You can get as little or more as you want.
So excited. I'm getting hungry. You guys worked me too hard today. That looks good, doesn't it?
That actually looks absolutely delicious.
That's because it is.
Almost as if I would have made it.
It's a pork chop. It probably
Chicken and
says.
broccoli's delicious.
This stuff, I didn't know what it was, but it tastes good.
It's one thing about these. You get to try stuff that you normally wouldn't ever try.
Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code FABRATS50 to get 50% off your first box of Factor and 20% off your next box. That's code FABRATS50 at factor75.com to get 50% off your first box and 20% off your next box while your subscription is active.
Got some fan mail today. William sends us this, and it is a whole bunch of old tooling and mill stuff and lathe stuff, drill bits. Oh yeah, all sorts of. You know what that is?
Spline.
No, it's a fluted reamer, so it's like for valve guides and that kind of stuff.
really?
You can, yeah. No, this is cool. This is good stuff. You know what this is?
Drill.
You got it. You got it, Hunter.
Wow.
Ratchet wrench. It's a ratchet attachment, as Michelle. Ooh, this one right here is gonna blow your mind. What is this, Hunter? Do you know what these are?
Those are your to gap stuff. It's to gap
name.
the
Gaffer, make it happen.
gap to make it happen.
Feeler gauges.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there you go.
got them. How about this?
That looks like a sewing hook type
It is.
thing.
It's a leather sewing needle.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You got this one? What do you think?
Those are your
It's a micrometer.
yeah.
So this one's for measuring the inside of something.
So how do you?
So
Where does it show you?
doesn't.
It
It
just-
doesn't. This one, you just put it in something, figure it out, and then you'll measure
I
this.
see.
Thank you, William. We'll put this stuff to use. This one's yours, Sean. Crack that one open.
How do you know? How could you tell?
Hey, false alarm.
Really?
Sounds a lot like these,
I would have.
which are good, by the way. You lost.
Sharpies. I lost. Who sent no note in there or nothing? Whoever sent us some silver Sharpies, thank you. Rob and Tammy send us some of the most awesomeness. Jelly from Mud Life. He said, "You seen us burn our seats?"
Hey, you got fire. You got fire right there.
And he sent us a fire blanket. We're gonna actually just load that straight in the tow truck for welding and different stuff on the trail, so thank you very much. All right, so this morning we've got a horse trailer and a truck that is stuck in the mud. We're gonna take the old tow truck out and see if it'll pull it out. I think it's a gooseneck, big horse trailer with animals in it. It should be interesting, so could be a rodeo. Hunter.
With animals in it?
Yeah, they're animals. I forgot to tell you that part. You're a herding son of a gun.
I do not like farm
Yeah.
type stuff.
Yeah, so it's could get interesting. Me and Hunter are gonna go. Landon's fueling us up, and we're out of here. Hey, look.
Hi.
It's the wifey. We're headed on a recovery.
Fun. Where are you going?
Mineral Springs Road. Horse trailer stuff. Hunter's gonna herd some stuff
I
today.
love it.
So we're gonna go get the tow truck some more muddy, and then we're gonna come back and put some new Dirty Life wheels on this thing. So leaving the same tires. We like the Mickey Thompsons, but these old metal bead locks I put on it are bent. So we're gonna put some good forged aluminum stuff on it. So let's go. All right, let's get out of here. We got a lot of stuff to do. All right, I'll put my seatbelt on. because we're all about safety. We ordered a new sign for the shop. How many days until your last accident? So it's gonna be fun to know that. Probably gonna be at 0 a lot. Like yesterday when I cut my fingers open. This may be our first recovery up in Mineral Springs, I think. See how this goes. This is nasty clay up here, like terrible clay. We're gonna have globs this big landing on us. This is a little bit of a gamble. We know they're on this road, but it lies up here. I'm hoping I can see tracks. Well, it's starting to get muddy.
She's not where I thought she was. I thought she was gonna be right here. Try turning around.
I wonder why GPS told her to go this way. This isn't Glendale at all. You can't always trust that stuff 100%. Michelle's GPS gets us lost all the time.
But if she would have had Onx,
If she would have had Onx. Okay, that's not her turning around. I'm not gonna be sad when it's just warm. Yeah, I think the hard part's gonna be hooking back up to this truck. They've unhooked from the trailer, so there's your elk crossing right there.
was that actually them?
I was actually elk crossing the road. Hey, they're not far. They did try to go right. All right. Woo!
They're not hitting yet.
Okay. We'll just slide it sideways. All right. This one's not going to be terrible. We'll get him.
But we're here.
You're here. This isn't Glendale. GPS will get you lost sometimes.
Oh, she is touching. What animals? They're animals?
Four-wheel drive won't kick in, so that's going to make it a little more interesting. We'll just pull it around and pull a trailer. We can get it turned around, just pivot it. Then we'll get the trailer and bring it around. We'll hook it on.
Okay.
And then we can pull them both out in one whack.
We're in drive, it says. Look at the dig.
Got that truck, now we'll get the trailer. Now we can just pick the trailer up, spin it around, hook it back on. That may be easier to test it though, yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, come back with barely more. Okay.
That'll be. Give her the old yeah.
There we go.
For some reason, it isn't loving four-wheel drive. Yeah, it's not locking in four-wheel, so. All right, we got them out. Go back to work. Once again, rule number one of getting stuck with a trailer, don't unhook from it. Just call for some help and we'll get it out. If you don't unhook from it, there's less dents going to be put in your truck, guaranteed.